Imagine for a moment a world where every person believed in their potential. Picture all those dreams, ideas, and passions coming to life because someone dared to believe. That someone can be you. We all have moments of doubt. Maybe you've faced setbacks that made you question your abilities, or perhaps you've listened to negative voices that told you, you can't. But here's the truth, those voices are wrong. You have something unique to offer this world, and it starts with believing in you. Think about the challenges you've overcome. Each obstacle was a stepping stone, teaching you valuable lessons about resilience and strength. Every time you pushed through, you built a little more confidence. That's what believing in yourself is about. It's recognizing your journey and understanding that you are capable of more than you realize. Believing in yourself doesn't mean you won't face fear or uncertainty. It means you acknowledge those feelings but choose to move forward anyway. Remember, even the most successful people started as beginners. They faced rejection, failure, and doubt just like you. What set them apart was their unwavering belief in their dreams. So, how do you cultivate this belief? Start small. Celebrate your achievements, no matter how minor they seem. Each success is proof that you can accomplish more. Surround yourself with people who lift you up and encourage your journey. Let go of toxic influences that sow doubt in your heart. Visualize your goals. Close your eyes and picture what success looks like for you. Feel that excitement, that joy. Let it motivate you to take action, one step at a time. Each step forward reinforces your belief and builds momentum. Lastly, remember that it's okay to stumble along the way. Every setback is an opportunity to learn and grow. Embrace the journey, it's as important as the destination. Believe in your capacity to adapt, to learn, and to overcome. Thank you.